Hey everyone, get ready to make adorable donut-shaped soaps at home with this fun and easy DIY soap making kit. It includes everything you need like a premium soap base, a reusable donut silicone mold, fragrance oils, colorants, mixing tools, and clear instructions. This kid-friendly kit is safe for children ages 6 and up, making it a perfect activity for the whole family. You can blend sweet scents and pastel colors to create soaps that look and smell just like real donuts. Plus, the mold can be reused for endless creative projects beyond soap making. It's a great way to encourage creativity, sensory play, and even STEM learning while reducing screen time. With 5 gift boxes included, it's perfect for sharing your handmade creations with friends and family. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.